welcome to Bath Emporium Castle Kitchen series here for our newest kitchen design. This is located in Brampton, Ontario, and this is our Adrian Crescent project. Today we're going to showcase to you the beautiful kitchen and bathroom and laundry room that we've designed for our client. Let's take a look at where we started. As you can see, the kitchen was a standard outdated builder kitchen that lacked both style and functionality. Our team took on the challenge of transforming the space into a dream kitchen that not only is beautiful but also highly functional. Our renovation process began with carefully planning the layout to optimize the available space. The larger island provides ample countertop space for meal prep, and as well as the natural stone adds an elegant touch to the overall design. This is a natural Nica quartzite quarried in Brazil, and it features really nice overall warm tones with gold veining. Nica natural quartzite adds a really nice touch to this kitchen. It features overall warm tones with gold veining, so that contrasts with our lighter MDF cabinetry along the back wall, and then the dark accent of the maple island we've added as a contrast.
As mentioned earlier, this is a very practical and a functional kitchen for a large family. To achieve that culinary experience, we have added a lot of high-end appliances to this kitchen. Let's start with the cooking. We have both gas and induction in this kitchen. So we used a Freedom induction from Thermador and a gas cooktop Vario by Gagano. Now talking about the features of the induction. So we have used a Freedom induction by Thermador in this kitchen. Freedom means you can use the full surface cooking for different size of pots and different shapes of pots as well. In this Freedom cooktop, it gets automatically connected to the hood as well. Once you switch it on, the hood will turn on itself too. The minimum size of the pot, you can use it about 4 inches in diameter, and the biggest what you can use it like 13 by 21 inches wide. The next thing what we use for the cooking is a gas by Gagano. It's called the Vario 400. It has 2 burners. It's approximate about 14,000 BTU and goes to the lowest simmer. So we have used a 30-inch built-in speed oven and a 30-inch built-in full oven by Thermador in this kitchen. Speed oven is a combination of an oven and a microwave, which everybody needs. Then if we're talking about the 30-inch built-in full oven, it has all the 16 functions like bake, broil, max broil, roast, convection, and etc., which is necessary for every home. As coffee is one of the important part of the family routine, so we gave them a 24-inch fully built-in whole bean coffee machine by Thermador. In that they can enjoy the 10 preset beverages, and they can also personalize at least 8 of the beverages on the names of the family members. So in this kitchen, the requirement for the family was to have a large fridge space. So we were able to accommodate 2 3-foot fridge columns and 1 3-foot freezer column in the same kitchen. Dishwasher is an important part of a kitchen as well. So we use the Sapphire dishwasher by Thermador in this kitchen. It is equipped with the zeolite technology, which cleans your dishes better and doesn't let the water puddle on your plastic or Tupperware containers. In this dishwasher, you don't have to worry about the remaining time and checking how long it's gonna take, because it has the time remaining power beam, which actually shines on the floor, tells you how much time it's left.
We love to go bold in a powder room. As a result, we decided to go with black tiles with gold veining in contrast with the Riabel Ciclo powder room faucet. We've also added in laundry room cabinetry for our client to allow for more storage and functionality. Thank you again for joining us at our Adrian Crescent project today. You can follow us along on Instagram, YouTube, as well as our website for our newest projects.